Hello and welcome to our channel. Today is a special video, as the week before last I had my COVID-19 vaccine. So I thought I'd do a special video to talk about the jab, how it affected me, and how I feel about the vaccine.
Right, I've just arrived at my doctor's to have the jab, and I will get back to you guys later. Right, I've just come out from having my vaccination. It was literally 2 minutes, if that. A quick, what's your name, what's your date of birth? Then they gave me a card where they'd marked on which arm I wanted it doing. I gave that to the nurse, who I happen to know because she's related to one of the children who go to my son's school. And just a normal jab, just like the flu jab or any other inoculation, then out. And now I'm just sitting in the car where I'm going to sit for 15 minutes while I wait to make sure I don't have a reaction. And then I'm going home. So I mean, I've got a bit of an achy arm, but that's perfectly normal for me for any vaccination. I always get it with the flu jab as well. I've waited the 15 minutes. I feel fine, so I'm going home.
Right, I thought I'd cut in here because I don't think I'm clear enough on the next bit. I did have some mild side effects from taking the vaccine, but rest assured that I would do it again in a heartbeat, because I believe it's the only way we're going to get out of this lockdown is for us all to be vaccinated when we're called. I will go into the side effects in the next bit of video, but I just wanted to make sure that everyone knew where I stood on this. I don't know about you people out there, but I'm fed up with this lockdowns and virus and bad news. I just want to be able to see all our family. For my children to see their grandparents and great-grandparents. For us to go back to normal. We'd like to be able to go on holiday. Or go to the park. Or just live a normal life.
Right, good morning. It's just going up to 9 o'clock. The day after my vaccine. All I can say is, if this is what you feel after the vaccine, I'm glad I never got the corona. I've got I think I've got a mild fever and a splitting headache. So I'm going to have some painkillers and have a bit more rest, and then I'll see how I feel. Okay, I'll catch up with you later.
Right, so let's talk about the side effects that I suffered. They're only minor, and as they do the vaccines on a Friday, I was perfectly fine by the Monday. But on the Sunday when I woke up, I felt like I'd drank about 4 litres of whiskey. I had what I can only describe as a really bad hangover. Night before I was fine, maybe a bit thirsty, but apart from that I was fine. And then on the Monday, hangover had gone. The only thing that lasted a bit longer was that the arm I had the jab in was a bit sore and heavy. But again, this is nothing I haven't experienced before with the flu jab, because when I have the flu jab every year, my arm gets sore and heavy for a couple of days. But apart from that, everything was fine. So I'd just like to wrap this video up by saying thank you all for watching. I hope it's put some of your fears to rest about the vaccine, because I would encourage anyone who's medically able to have it to have it. It not only protects you, but it protects your family and those around you. But if you'd like to click on that little bell notification and subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. And normal service will be resumed with our next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.